Well, the 335D triple turbo setup is back, so I'm getting ready to go out and get some diesel with it, take it on a test drive. Listen to that turbo whistle. Now I'm gonna drive into town here. Alright, I'm driving through town here. Hopefully you can hear this turbo whistle. Triple turbo setup. I'm in sport mode, 5th gear. Let's see if I can do a little kick down there. The boost gauge on the left, and see what kind of. I think it's a little over 60 psi, but let's see what it does. Woo! All right. That was about 50 some psi. Holy crap. Yeah, the front end pulling hard.